morning, all of you. I am Muhammad Imran. I am from Anantapur. I am a school correspondent. Actually, I would like to thanks Arise Awake English Coaching Center. A special thanks to Shivaji Shankar sir. He is a professional English trainer and coach, and of course motivational speaker also. Actually, we are successfully completed our level 2 online English course. Actually, we learn many things from Shivaji Shankar sir. Why? Because today I am going to tell you highlights and main features of this course and specialty of the Shivaji Shankar sir teaching style. Right? First, I would like to tell about Shivaji Shankar sir. Actually, he is a really professional trainer and coach, and his teaching style is entirely different comparing to other tutors. When I was joined that class, I think like that Shivaji Shankar sir also teach me that same related, boring grammar and whatever it may be. But his teaching style is entirely different. Starting the class onwards only, he interact with each and every student and tell to each and every participation, you have to speak English, whether you know professional English or not, right? Like that only he motivate to the people. Everyone, we all know in the beginning itself only, no one knows better English, right? We think like that we are talking some mistakes on that time. Different kind of tutors, what they say, you are saying this kind of some wrongs, this kind of some different kind of your speaking, you have to improve in this way in starting. But Shivaji Shankar style is like that. Starting 5 to 6 classes, he didn't point out our any kind of mistakes, and he encouraged with his beautiful words and in a polite manner, and it really helps me a lot. Shivaji Shankar sir way of treatment, right? And coming towards that, this the English course, how he deal the course features especially. Actually, that the course beginning day only, tell to Shankar sir, every participant introduce yourself especially. So we all the people are introduce ourselves. So different kind of people, different kind of places we are introducing ourselves, and he give the some different kind of topics. Tell me about yourself. Tell me example, what is your dream job, and describe a thing, describe a personality, and what is your favorite place. Like these kind of different kind of activities really helps me a lot, right? Actually, basically I am tell about myself only. I am Imran. Basically I am a school correspondent, and I don't know English that much. How can I improve my fluency English, right? I am searching online classes, and I am in Anantapur only. I am visit the n number of coaching centers. Some people are charging, believe me friends, 50,000, 30,000 for the teaching this kind of English, and some people are taking 1,000 rupees, 5,000 rupees, 10,000 rupees. But maximum I observe that each and every coaching center teaching the same that boring format of the grammar only. But Shivaji Shankar sir, Arise Awake family, this the coaching center specialty is the entirely different comparing to different kind of coaching center. So I belongs to Anantapur, and I am joining Arise Awake online classes to the Prodhutur. Why? Because after all that complete, I am checking my complete checking and survey, I feel like that, and I hope I feel like that. Yes, Arise Awake is the best coaching center to improve my English skills. So special thanks to Shivaji Shankar sir, and all the best for the Arise Awake family, and best regards to you sir. Thank you so much for teaching us very good English in a professional manner. Thank you so much.